Hi, I am Susan, a busy mom of four, and welcome to A Gentle Life with Susan. As that mom who has added so much weight after I put to bed with baby number 4, these are some of the things I do before I start my daily activity. After I do this, then I will drink some natural home remedy. Also take dance as part of exercise for me. So this is what I normally do most times before I leave This time we're going out, and when I come back, I want to make this delicious vegetable spinach stew. So now we are back home. Once I'm back home, I go straight to my kitchen to start cooking. It is part of daily routine for me. Like, this is what it must do for me, because as that mom of 4, you always have to prepare food, either you want to do it or not. And for me, I don't like too much food that will stay long in the fridge. So I just keep preparing food. So this spinach, I'm using 2 packs of spinach, and this is my already minced. I have cow leg, I have shaki, and I have chicken. I already parboiled it and throw away the water before I start this fully one. So after that, I put sliced onions, I put thyme, curry powder, and 1 seasoning cube and salt. I cover it. Now it's ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and start frying. If it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for your support, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also share this video. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this cooking. So this spinach soup is so nice. You can use it for rice, you can use it for plantain, you can use it for yam, you can use it for pounded yam. Like, it's just all in one. As a mom who is trying to lose a little bit weight, vegetable is a must for me. For more details about the measurement of the things that I use in preparing this spinach soup, I'll be listing them in the comment section. So feel free to go check it out. I wash the spinach leaf with a lot of salt. This way, if there's any sound, it will go off. Before you wash the vegetable, you should add salt. And now I'm going to use 1.5 cups of this tomato pulp. So this one I'm opening, I'm just going to half it. I'm not going to put all. So here's my tomato paste. Like I said, I will put everything that I used. I will put the measurement and all in the comment section. You can go check it out. The reason I'm taking out from the stew is because I want to put it on top of the spinach. This way, it will make the spinach go down on time. So it's just an easy way for me to do it. So this is what I was talking about. See the way I'm doing it now. So when you cover it, it makes the spinach go down. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned something from this video today. So please like and help us to share. Thank you so much, and bye for now.